The main reason I'm excited about the auto layout wrapping feature is because I can finally use auto layout for managing larger component sets. So in case you didn't know, you could always add auto layout to component sets just by clicking the auto layout button. And that just made it much easier to create new variants or to shift things around. But the problem is that you couldn't really do it for larger sets because if you were to add auto layout, everything would be either in one straight line horizontally or vertically, and you couldn't add additional auto layout frames inside the component set itself, and it is kind of an overkill. But now you can just use the wrapping feature and you get a very nice grid inside your component sets. And you can also set up things like padding and the space in between. I hope that you also find this tip useful for managing your component libraries. And if there are any tricks or tips that you've discovered with the new features that you would like to share, please do so in the comments.